that the only celebration that you are celebrating 76 years of your unity and democracy in Manipur. So it's my pleasure to have such an opportunity to speak about something, how the things is going on what is the constitution of Manipur. Manipur's constitution, about the constitution of the Manipur, already has been explained by many of the speakers over here. So I would like to say one of the things which is the current situation happening in Manipur. I have seen many students, I spoke to some of them, really it's very appreciable things, at least in this situation also, they have come to Delhi for gaining the or obtaining or having the education in different colleges of Delhi region. It's proud to be here and we are the part of not only the Delhi, we are the part of all the states. So regarding this situation, I would like to explain only 2 points why the things happens in Manipur. When happens, what happens, how it happens, you all know better than me. But the thing is, I would like to say only the things, what the 2 points of things I have found. One, first of all, Hinduism and Christianity were ruling the Manipur and they were staying together in better way with the friendly and maintaining their own sovereignty of the states. But the things happened from 1991 to 2011, the population of the Hinduism from the 61% gone down to 41 as per the census of 2011 or before. And the Christianity has increased from 19% to 41%. The first point has pointed out or pinch in their mind who is following the Hinduism. Only for the Hindu, this country is not for only Hindu. It's for all of us. The constitution which has been written by our Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, it gives the equality for all rights for all human beings in India. Whether it's maybe from the seven sisters, northeast states, or maybe south, or maybe the west. So equality has been given by our constitution. We should maintain we should follow rules of law as per our constitution. So this is the only 2 points. Second points, what they did actually, to just maintain their politicization, community divide, because this is the only two regions how they can hold the chair. Either already that has been explained to you by our Supreme Court lawyer, that Narendra Mishra ji. He has explained about what's happening around the election. But here, to maintain the things, or hold the chair, they have created the problems. Secondly, this, how the things, percentages are done. So, maintain the politicizations by dividing the communities, whether it's scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, or Muslims or Hindu. That's only the 2 points has been explained, has been behind this all eruptions taken place in Manipur or in other places in our country. Whether you talk about the UP, talk about the Madhya Pradesh, talk about the Karnataka, wherever you talk, this is the things happening, only the things to create the violence, only erupt the violence, only dividing the communities in Muslim, Hindu or scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, or just like Meitei and cookies. So thank you very much for being with us. I am very happy to be here and we'll see you next time, inshallah. Thank you very much.